Usila Fa'alongo calls us to feel the rhythm, the heartbeat of Siva Samoa full of love and pride. A dance of spirit, a voice from the heart, a celebration of identity in every move and art. Lava Lava Samoa honors our sacred attire. Lava Lava and Siapo, proud symbols we admire. Elegance and tradition strengthen our form, a reflection of our heritage, fierce and warm. And now the Langi team will grace us with their sacred dance, a display of our roots, our beauty, our stance. Both connect to Le Mana o Le Fa'alepo, the power of the dream. The power of what's unseen yet felt deep below. Spirit and emotion woven in our soul. Together we celebrate our shared culture. Please enjoy this number choreographed by Vanessa Loaiza of the Langi team.